food.
Just leave that there a minute.
It's so nice.
I've got this trivet now.
Well, veggie. Maybe it evaporated.
Yeah. No, I'll give it a blow, mate. You like it?
Yeah. You can turn anything. Yes.
Do not tell me.
Okay. RIPPPOS. Because there's a little gateway to this. What does this waterfall do is?
See you next time. Say goodbye, George.
Goodbye.
The fiddle plays soft through leaves it weaves, lifting our hearts, this magic believes. In the whispers of nature the spirits can roam, taking us back to the wild we call home. With melodies swirling like leaves in the breeze, we dance to the